Hi, welcome to Waggies Travels. Done a little video today earlier about Kit Hill, but the reason we were killing time is that we was having the motorhome cleaned. So there you go. We've had her cleaned and she is looking absolutely brilliant. It took the poor guy the best part of 4 hours. Roof green. Let's have a look round. So, as you can see, where this is parked is not brilliant, but all of this was absolutely green and horrible. But I am very, very pleased with it. Very pleased. He's coming back in a few weeks' time to do a full polish on it for me. So that will hopefully make it shine a little bit more, but I am very, very pleased with it. Very pleased. Absolutely spotless. So I'll put up details of the guy for anyone who is in Devon or Cornwall in the Plymouth area. Absolutely amazing, very well priced, and worth every penny of what I've just paid. So anyway, thanks for watching.